Hi, my name is Joanne, and I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Walk Across Texas is an 8-week program to help Texans establish the habit of regular physical activity. Each adult team may include up to 8 team members, all working together to walk 832 miles. Today, I will teach you how to dance the wobble. This line dance has modifications to prevent any dizziness and make it more accessible and more enjoyable.
Hi, the first thing we're going to do is step forward and hold for 3 counts. Alright, here we go. Step forward and hold 2, 3, 4. Same thing, step back, hold for 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So what we can do is practice that, and you can just shimmy your elbows if you like. So we step forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now the next step is to lean to the right and then do arm circles. So here we go. So we're going to lean to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean to the left, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's practice that all together. Step front, hold for 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Lean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. The next thing is we're going to walk forward and then walk back. So it'll look something like this for 8 counts. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last step, we're not going to turn around. We're just going to hold 4, 4 and just groove to the beat. All right, let's do that all together. Here we go. Step forward, 2, 3, 4. Step back, 2, 3, 4. Side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step forward, hold for 2, 3, 4. Step back, hold 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you do the wobble.